You have been waiting weeks for Bitcoin to finally make a big move and altcoin season to finally start. Is it happening right now? Have we just gotten confirmation of a major breakout? Also in today's video, everyone's been begging to know, did the NVT change color? How about our weekly candle close? Was that a dragonfly doji? How about altcoin season? All of those updates and more in today's video. Welcome in. If you are returning, welcome back. Phenomenal to see you. If you're new, do you want to have less stress and more success? Hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on that bell. Put a like on this video. If you do all three of those things, you are entered into the drawing for a $100 Bitcoin giveaway. Less stress, more success. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump straight into it. Now, the $1 million question everyone's been begging for and wondering and asking, Steve, did we change from red to white on the NVT? Because if we did, it generally means a 50% correction. But if we remain red, it's incredibly bullish. Throughout this part of Bitcoin's bull run, back here when we had a major correction, here when we had a major correction, here when we had a major correction, we said time and time again, if we continue to stay red, we are still bullish, just like my hair. And we looked at it and we said, hey, yesterday at 12 a.m. UTC time, a lot of things happened. We printed our weekly candle, we made an update on the NVT. All of those things will be updated here, but first and foremost, we are red. We have remained red in the NVT. That means we are still bullish. That means it's likely we will continue to rise from here, even if we have a couple hiccups in the meantime. All right. So first and foremost, we remain red. There's something pretty major though. We've got a breakout happening with the bull flag. Now that's what I want to get to next. But again, you're here in crypto because you want to have more success in your trading. There's only one place you can go to get the best courses in the space. And right now we're giving one away for free. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Click right here. Get your free course right now. If you haven't done so already, this will help you tremendously. It takes all the information, condenses it down into the purest form to help you today. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Click right here. Get your free course. The link will be also down below. Now, the bull flag. We've got to get to the bull flag. This is something that we've been tracking. Bitcoin loves bull flag. The last time we gave Bitcoin bull flag alert was when we were around 30,000 and we gave a target between 55 and 58, and we have been at that target price for quite a while, but we formed a new bull flag. We formed a new bull flag on March 13th. And we've had some resistance while having some support. And this candle right here is our breakout candle. This is our candle right here. It's a breakout so far. We close this candle in 2 hours from now, okay? We close this candle in 2 hours from now. We're on the 12-hour chart, and your first question may be, Steve, what do we do? Should I look at this on the 4-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, on the 1-day chart? It comes down to risk. Now, you know, in a bull flag, because you follow our channel, you never make a trade inside of a formation. You want to trade at the confirmation of that formation. Meaning, if we close this candle above here in 2 hours from now, we need to wait another 12 hours from now to print the next candle. If the next candle has the body of the candle holding as support above this level, it's confirmed, and that's when a trader would take a trade with the take profits meaning on the pole. This is our pole length here, and you basically attach the pole here, and we could do that here in the video later today. We're going to post another video later today with the highly anticipated update of the Pi cycle. So make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss that one. We'll give the Pi cycle and our target with the bull flag. Right now, we're holding tight. This is a great sign. We're peeking through, but this is not where you want to take a trade. You can get burnt, and a lot of people do, which is why you wait for a confirmation. But this is a great sign. We have other great signs that we want to get to inside the video. Another great sign is this. This is the Gaussian channel. And if you follow our channel for years, you know that we made it abundantly clear that this was the golden zone. Back here when we were around $3,000, we called it one of the best buy opportunities in Bitcoin. We did the same thing with the coronavirus pandemic using this Gaussian channel. How do we know that? We look left Anytime we were below the Gaussian channel, it illustrated the best buying opportunity of a lifetime. We usually use the Gaussian channel on the weekly. Today, I want to show you on the daily what has happened, right? We just recently got a bounce, a strong bounce from the Gaussian channel holding as support. So I did want to make that clear. You can use this on the daily. There are more false signals. For example, the change from red to green here multiple times. On the weekly, it's more powerful, but on the daily, you do get confirmation. During this entire bull run, we've held support from the Gaussian channel. The last time we were inside of it, October 2020. Another thing we want to keep you updated on is the Fear and Greed Index. We've been forming a downtrend since February 23rd, forming a high here, a lower high here on March 4th, another lower high on March 9th, another lower high on the 14th, another lower high on the 20th, and just recently, another lower high on March 28th. What we want to see here is a change of trend. In order to do that, we need to get above 75, forming our first higher high. We've been forming lower highs since February 23rd. We want to see that reverse in trend there. Now let's get to another couple charts. We want to talk about altcoin season. We want to combine all of these things together and give a clear estimate of what's happening in the charts. But before we go any further, make sure you are subscribed with the bell on, clicked, and like this video. Those three things will get you into the drawing to win $100 of Bitcoin, and you get to see a lot of amazing content. For example, later today, the highly anticipated Pi cycle. Now, altcoin season. We're following a very simple chart. This is our stochastic RSI, represents momentum. We illustrated the picture yesterday. If you have a fire and you pour gasoline on the fire, the momentum will carry the fire bigger and stronger. That's essentially what the stochastic RSI is. It's a momentum play. The last time we had a stochastic cross with the blue crossing back above the orange here, then we had a major move of about 400% in altcoins, meaning altcoins went on an enormous rally during that period. Same with the previous cross and the cross before that, and every cross that's in existence for Bitcoin. You can scroll back, at any point. All of these crosses are major, and we are in the midst of a cross as we speak. Okay, so altcoin season could be picking up some major steam because we just had a stochastic cross on the weekly chart for altcoin season. So it's time to really pay attention. We want to monitor this over the next handful of days. We want to see what's happening. Specifically, Bitcoin is going to lead the market with this bull flag. Okay, so we want to continue to stay level-headed. Don't get too excited. Right now, everyone's going to be screaming that this is it. This is the rally. We're about to move, but you are level-headed. You are not a part of the herd anymore. You're not a part of the herd anymore. You're reacting realistically. You're looking for confirmation from this. And again, if you want to use the daily chart, it's even less false signals than 12-hour, but it's up to you with the risk that you want to take. But we are starting to get some signs. We have altcoin season cross. However, Bitcoin is still remaining without a cross on the stochastic RSI. We've been following this for many weeks, and we remained level-headed, but this could be the gasoline on the fire that we need. If you see a cross over the next handful of days, which will keep you updated, that could be the fuel on the fire that we've been wanting to finally get above this 60,000. We've been battling week after week after week after week, looking for a period when the market was going to move, and now we're getting close. There's one other piece that I wanted to discuss, and that's our weekly close. We were looking for a dragonfly doji. That's the candle that has the power to completely reverse the trend. We were following it here for 900 days. We were having a downtrend here, 900 days from our 20K top all the way to the 3,000-ish bottom. Then we printed a dragonfly doji. We covered it live on this channel as we printed it, and we called it a major trend reversal. So 900 days going down, and you can see Bitcoin has done fairly well since that point. But we were covering it on a weekly time frame with a less powerful trend, not a 900-day trend, but a couple week trend. And we were looking to see if yesterday at 12 a.m. UTC time, we could print a dragonfly doji. And we wanted to close between 57,000 and 57,200. We didn't quite do that. We closed down here at 55,800. right? We didn't print the dragonfly that we were looking for. However, we did print a hammer. We can call this a hammer. It is a trend reversal candle. It's not nearly as powerful as a dragonfly, and it has a long upper shadow or upper wick, which we're not thrilled about. You want to see a hammer, and you also want to see the dragonfly doji without a long upper wick or a long upper shadow. You do, however, want to, on both of them, want to see a long lower wick and a long lower shadow. Each of them have their own rules, but the hammer, you want to see at least a 4 times, whatever the thickness is of the hammer, of the body, you want to see at least 3 to 4 times that, the size of the wick. We do have that. It's not a technical hammer. However, it is a bullish candle that we did print. Even though it is red, it is a bullish candle, and we're starting to see some semblance of that play out here as we speak. So there's a lot going on, but you want to remain level-headed, and the main thing I want you to watch right now is this bull flag and how we progress with this bull flag. This is not financial advice of much a financial advisor, but this will be very, very, very strong, especially if we get a weekly stochastic RSI cross, pushing this bull flag into a confirmation with a target. We'll just call the target well over 65,000. I'll unveil it a little bit later today in our video that is highly anticipated for the pi cycle. So make sure you subscribe so you do not miss that. And then I want to show you this video as well. Go watch this video about altcoins. It's heavy learning. It's altcoins that will do very well for you. So everyone's been loving this video. I'll pop it up right here. There'll be a little box that comes up. Click on it and watch that video. You'll have a lot of takeaways from that video. Now, if you want to be entered into our drawing, we're going to pick that later today. Subscribe, bell, like this video, which you've already done. Get your free course at this website, which you've already done. Crypto Crew U on the Twitters. Go follow there. Make sure you do these 3 things to be entered into our drawing. I do want to make it clear. We used to have no ads on our YouTube videos. The problem is YouTube started putting ads in our videos without we didn't agree to that. So they were doing it and we couldn't control it. So now we just turned on ads, and they have to pay us ad revenue now, and we're taking ad revenue and we're just giving it away to the community. I know it's probably a crazy thing to do. Steve, why are you doing this? This is stupid. Just keep the money for yourself. I would rather give it away. I want to change lives. We're giving it away. So we came up with this cool idea to create some engagement. And it's really fun. People are loving it, it sounds like. So comment your favorite thing about this channel and your Bitcoin address, and Steve, if you followed the above, we'll pick your name later today. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs. I'll see you right back here later today.